Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how I make a extra large blazer and how I achieve this by adding a couple of inches around any regular blazer pattern. First off, I'm laying out my regular blazer pattern I made on the table. The link to the video where I made this will be in the description box below. Make sure to check it out so you can follow along with this video. Next step here is me spreading out my pattern piece on the fabric. I'm starting here with my front pattern. This is where the enlargement happens. I'll be adding 1.5 inches along the front and shoulders, while I'll be add the normal 0.5 inch along the seam allowance. You can go ahead and add extra inches. For me, I'm just using one, but if you want it bigger, you can easily just add more and it will be bigger. So the next is going to be the back, and for this back I'm only going to be adding to the side and the shoulders because I don't want to tamper with this neck measurement. This is because we'll still be using the same collar measurement for this pattern, so we don't want to tamper with the neck. This is me spreading out my pattern. It appears bigger already, as you can see. This is the neck and the collar. Make sure you watch my previous video on how to make this pattern. I'm leaving the link in the description box below, so make sure you watch it. Notice here that I'm cutting the second collar piece at about 0.5 inch from the fold. I'll explain further in the video. So for the sleeves, I'm making sure my pattern matches the bodice. Then I'll add 1.5 each along the sides to match the increased bodice pattern. Next, I'm cutting out the front facing with the front pattern. Make sure you watch my previous video on how to make this pattern. I'm leaving the link in the description box below, so make sure you watch it. Next, I'm sewing the facing to the front side piece. Next, I'm joining all the back lining pieces together. Then I'm joining the front and the back together. Since I won't be adding sleeves to the lining, I'll be closing that raw edge with a bias tape. And this is how it's looking. Very nice. I'm okay with it. So I'll just do the same to the second armhole. To join the lining with the Ankara fabric, I'm placing the lining right side facing up, then the Ankara fabric right side touching the lining. Then I'll sew round completely. Next, I'm flipping it easily through the armhole on the lining. So I'm able to do this because of the absence of sleeves on the lining. So the blazer has come together beautifully, as you can see. Just finished by closing off the sleeve with a straight stitch round.
Baby.